What if I told you that you could generate thousands of leads, in any niche, for free, in under an hour? Sounds impossible? That's exactly what we're going to do today. Before we dive in, ask yourself, how many leads are sitting out there, waiting for you, while you scroll Instagram? Stop scrolling, start capturing. Watch till the end for the tool that made me $100 in a single day just from leads. Imagine having a spreadsheet full of potential clients, ready to call or email, all generated automatically. Too good to be true? I thought the same, until I tested it myself. And today, I'll show you exactly how I do it. No coding, no expensive software, just simple steps. If you've ever struggled with lead generation, this will blow your mind. Step 1. Identify your target niche. Who do you want to reach? Real estate agents, local businesses, coaches? Step 2. Use a tool most people ignore, ChatGPT. Yes, the AI everyone talks about. You won't believe how simple it is to get it to output lists, emails, and contacts. Step 3. Refine your prompts so ChatGPT gives you exactly what you need. Too broad and it's useless. Too narrow, and you miss opportunities. I'll show you the exact prompt formula that works like a charm. This method works in any niche. I've used it for fitness coaches, lawyers, and local services. And the results? Thousands of leads, literally thousands. I'm not exaggerating. Stick around and I'll show you how to get these leads into your inbox automatically. Step 4. Export, organize, and prepare to outreach. Imagine sending cold emails or DMs to fully targeted prospects, without spending a dime. You don't even need a fancy CRM. Step 5. Scale it. Once the prompts are dialed in, you can repeat endlessly. But let's pause for a second. How much would it normally cost to hire a lead generation service for this? Hundreds? Thousands? And yet, you can do it today for free. That's the beauty of AI if you know the hacks. And yes, I'll give you the exact prompts I use. No fluff, no vague instructions, step by step. So, grab a notebook or open a Google Sheet. You're going to need it. Quick question. How fast do you want results? Because faster is possible. The first 100 leads can be generated in minutes. Ready to see the magic? Let's dive in. And don't forget, if you like AI tools that make money, hit subscribe and click the bell. I drop these every week. Alright, here's the exact formula I use with ChatGPT. First, identify your niche. Let's take local real estate agents. Ask ChatGPT, give me a list of 100 real estate agents in Sydney with emails and phone numbers. Sounds simple, right? But here's the trick. You need to refine it with the right prompt structure. Include location, service, and target demographic. Example. Find 50 real estate agents in Sydney who specialize in luxury homes, include website and contact email. Step 2. Ask for output in CSV format. This saves hours of manual copy-paste. Now, ChatGPT will output something like this: name, email, phone, website. Perfect for outreach campaigns. Step 3. Use variations to expand your reach. Instead of 50, generate 200 using slightly different search criteria. For example, target first-time home buyers or investment properties. Each prompt variation gives a new batch of leads. Step 4. Organize your spreadsheet. Add columns for follow-up, notes, and outreach status. Automation tip. Connect your spreadsheet to an email tool. Even Gmail or Outlook works. Step 5. Outreach. Personalize your messages slightly, using the lead's niche information. Example. Hi, name, I noticed your agency specializes in luxury homes. I have some AI tools that could help generate more leads for you. Keep it short, simple, and value-driven. Like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Back to the steps. Step 6. Rinse and repeat. ChatGPT can generate hundreds of leads per session. I recommend running this daily for maximum impact. Step 7. Track results. How many replies? How many conversions? Adjust your prompt for better targeting. Example: include LinkedIn profile for each lead, or add business Instagram handle. This adds multi-channel outreach potential. Step 8. Save time using batch exports. You can generate 10,000 leads in a day if you scale properly. Tip: stagger the outreach to avoid spam filters. Personalization is key. Even a small tweak in the message boosts reply rates dramatically. Step 9. Follow-up sequences. Most leads need 2 to 3 touches before responding. Build a simple sequence in your email tool. Step 10. Analyze and refine. Which prompts gave the best leads? Which emails got the best replies? ChatGPT allows constant iteration. And here's a secret: you can even generate lead engagement scripts inside ChatGPT. Just ask. Write a 3-step DM sequence for real estate leads. Lines get opened, replies get sent. Step 11. Test different niches. It's not just real estate. Fitness coaches, local gyms, consultants, dentists, any niche works. Step 12. Combine with LinkedIn scraping for premium leads. Step 13. Export again and feed it back into ChatGPT for follow-up ideas. Step 14. Build an AI-powered workflow. Your goal: minimal manual work, maximum leads. Step 15. Once mastered, you can sell this method to businesses. Clients pay big money for this. And you started with zero cost. Step 16. Always monitor compliance. Make sure emails are targeted, not spammy. Think of it like fishing. You bait, you cast, you reel in. But the pond is huge. And you have the best bait, AI. Step 17. If your niche is local services, combine ChatGPT with Google Maps searches. Step 18. Capture emails, website URLs, phone numbers, social profiles. Step 19. Use AI to write outreach emails that feel human. Step 20. Track conversion rates. Test different email angles. Step 21. Iterate your prompts weekly. Step 22. Mix in urgency. Limited offer for leads generated today. Step 23. Watch how replies start rolling in. Step 24. Personalize templates for each niche. Step 25. Example: hey, name, I noticed your gym is near neighborhood. I can help fill your classes with AI-generated leads. Step 26. Multi-channel reach improves response rates by 30 to 50%. Step 27. Don't just collect leads, nurture them. Step 28. ChatGPT can generate follow-up sequences for weeks in advance. Step 29. Remember, quality beats quantity. Step 30. Always refine prompts to match your business style. By now, you should have a full blueprint to generate thousands of leads. Remember, it's all about prompt strategy, organization, and automation. Don't let leads slip through your fingers. Every minute you wait is money left on the table. And here's the kicker: you did all this for free. No paid tools, no subscriptions. Just AI, your brain, and a simple workflow. Step 31. Scale it and watch the pipeline grow. Step 32. Repurpose the leads for upsells, partnerships, or campaigns. Step 33. Keep experimenting with new niches weekly. Step 34. The possibilities are endless. Step 35. And once you master this, you can even sell it as a service. Step 36. Imagine getting paid to generate leads for other businesses. That's real money, real impact. Step 37. Don't wait for someone else to show you this method. Step 38. Own it, implement it, scale it. Step 39. Remember, ChatGPT is your lead generation engine. Step 40. And the best part? It keeps improving. Every update makes your workflow faster, smarter, more effective. Step 41. Integrate with spreadsheets, email tools, LinkedIn, Instagram. The world is your playground. Step 42. The hardest part is starting. Step 43. Start now. Don't procrastinate. Step 44. Watch your first batch of leads roll in. Step 45. Like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Step 46. Keep your sheets clean, outreach consistent. Step 47. Test subject lines, personalization, message style. Step 48. ChatGPT even helps with cold call scripts. Step 49. Imagine calling a lead with a fully AI-generated script tailored to them. Step 50. You'll never have to wing it again. Step 51. Follow-ups? Covered. Step 52. Multi-channel approach? Covered. Step 53. The only limit is your niche imagination. Step 54. Save your favorite prompts in a library. Step 55. Reuse, tweak, scale. Step 56. Lead generation becomes almost automatic. Step 57. Tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. Step 58. Hit subscribe and click the bell. I drop these AI money-making tools every week. Step 59. Implement this today, see results tomorrow. Step 60. Remember, free, easy, scalable. Step 61. Thousands of leads are waiting. Are you ready to grab them? Step 62. Bookmark this method, follow along, and take massive action. Step 63. Don't just watch. Do it. Step 64. Share your results. The AI lead generation world is exploding. Step 65. And yes, this works for any niche you can think of. Step 66. Local businesses, online services, coaching, you name it. Step 67. Stay consistent and scale. Step 68. Every day you delay is leads lost to competitors. Step 69. Take control of your lead generation today. Step 70. Hit subscribe, click the bell, and own the AI lead game. Step 71. I'll see you in tomorrow's upload, the one that changes everything.